huge snowstorm going on right now. And the flakes, I've never seen flakes this big in my life. They're as big as silver dollars. Like, seriously, I videotaped it. And now, all the big, huge workers are like having this snowball fight and like making like snow angels and stuff like that. It's really funny. She's amazed by it. Like, I wanted to see snow, so. Yep. And I got some food vouchers, so I had some pizza. We're gonna go get some hot chocolate from Starbucks and sit by the snow falling. It's quite romantic, actually. So I already called my work and everything. So 10:30 tomorrow morning, if I get that flight, if they haven't canceled it, because this is seriously, it's only been falling for maybe an hour, and there's already. I can't even tell you, like this. I've never seen anything like this. I've never seen flakes this big in my life, ever. But, I mean, what can you do? Okay, babe. Okay. Okay, bye.